It's review time.
Boy, now you make me float, float, float. Boy, you really give me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope, dope. 'Cause you.
Okay, so let's hop right into it. So this kit comes with 6 colors and it's on Amazon. It only costs about $13. So we have a very soft pink. This one is super cute. I love this one. This is the first color that I tried out of this kit. And when I tell y'all, I was obsessed. Like, oh, love it. We got a little brown. It's almost like a caramel peachy color. So if you like more neutral looking colors, you can go ahead and choose that one. This one, oh, this is perfect for French. I love it. Look at how deep that pink is. One thing I will say about Model Ones, their colors are very rich and pigmented, and I definitely love this. And here we are. It's like a taupe color, almost like a little toffee. And y'all, this is super, super, super cute. And here we have another brown. So they came through with the nudes, y'all, okay? That one has like a little bit of orange tint to it. So not sure if you'll use that for a natural base, but to each his own. And then of course we have a clear for those who just want to get some structure on their nails and just let them grow out. Nothing wrong with that. But yeah, y'all, this was online for $13. I think I'm gonna do this color for today's tutorial. We need our foundation and our base coat, of course. All right, so I've used a couple of different brands for Builder Gel. I've used Gelish, I've used Nail Thoughts, and I have one I ordered online from a wholesale vendor. And so far, I do like Model Ones. I'll put them at number 2. And the reason being, I don't like a gel that is very thin where it runs like super fast. So this one is a little bit thicker. The only thing that I don't like about it is the bottle is very small, but I did get a kit. So a lot of times when you order kits, they do get like the smaller bottles, but a little bit goes a long way. So if you are looking for a product that is low in price but will give you, the bang for your buck, I definitely would suggest Model Ones. I like how pigmented the colors are and it's very easy to work with. This goes on exactly how I need it to go on. Of course, it does have a sticky layer that you're going to have to wipe off prior to filing, but this is like it moves so perfectly. Like if you are trying to learn structured manicures, if you're going to do it on yourself or practice on a nail hand, I would say order this kit. Look at how it moves. That's how you want, for me, that's how I want my gel. I don't want a gel that's going to run and just go everywhere. This self levels so perfectly. And I think a lot of people just neglect the smaller brands. I would even say Model Ones is a smaller brand because a lot of people in the nail industry knows about it, but I think everybody is focused on like Gelish and OPI, but Model Ones is definitely a go-to for me. Between them and Saviland, I will never turn my nose at a smaller brand ever, 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 ever. And even though I know a lot of nail techs don't like ordering things from online, they rather go in the store. I suggest ordering online because you do get fast shipment. It is money back guaranteed if you're not happy with the product, but I'm sure you're definitely going to be satisfied with this product. It moves exactly how you need it to move. And this is very beginner friendly. I did buy this kit when I first started learning how to do structured manicures. Did not know how to work the product, but now that I do, it it flows great with me. But even though when I first bought it, I will say I did not know how to properly structure it, but it still lasted. It stayed on, and like I said, the colors are very extremely pigmented. That's what I look for when I'm looking for a builder gel. I don't want something that's going to be very loose. I don't want something that's not going to be very pigmented because some clients want to just walk out with, the color that they chose. So this is something you're going to look for. Model Ones has a very nice quality, and I give this a 10 out of 10. And I know what y'all thinking. No, I do not have a discount code. I don't have any promotions with them. This is just something I wanted to review because I had it sitting here and I'm like, you know what? Let me go ahead and tell people about this great product. And there you have it. Like, it self levels, it's very pigmented, like I said, easy to work with. The bottles are just extremely small, but I'm sure if you buy it individually, the bottles will be bigger. But let me know if you guys are willing to try this out.